Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a business Instagram account or the professional Instagram account. So first make sure you have a personal Instagram account from which we're gonna create a professional or business Instagram account for doing some ads for your business or doing some client relationships. So first of all, is I have a personal Instagram account. So first you need to click on the uh, profile icon. Yeah. Okay. So then you need to click on three lines. Bar, top bar. Here you need to scroll down. Then you need to click on account type and tools. Here you gonna see an option switch to professional account. Okay, so click next. Then you need to click your your business category. It could be any, so I'm going to choose artist just for now. Switch. Then you need to choose between the type of professional account. If you are having a business, then you're gonna select the business option, and if you are a creator, influencer, artist, or any kind of celebrity, then you can choose the creator option. So I'm going to select business option. Then next, hey, you need to put your business email and then business phone number. I'm putting my phone number just for now. Then you need to enter your business location.
Convert your audio and video files into accurate text transcripts in seconds.
Search for town and just selected some random information. Click on save. Enable or Instagram audio calling, so a customer can make you a call while seeing your ads, or make it personally. Okay, so I can display my contact information so my customers can connect with me anytime, or I can hide them either way. Next, you can connect your professional Instagram account with your Facebook, but I'm skipping this option for now. And here you can see now I have the business Instagram account from which you can manage ads or doing any kind of activity. Thanks so much for watching.